Hey guys, it's Rudy at River Wireless. I get calls all the time, people asking me how do I get Wi-Fi from my house to my garage. And there is a quick solution, it's super cheap, and it's called the Powerline Wi-Fi extender. What happens is this. So you take this guy, plug it into your router, this guy goes to where you want the internet. Okay, so you take your small guy, plug the cable into it, find your router, plug it into the back of your router, plug that into the wall. So you plug this into your outlet in the garage, little house light comes on, means it has a connection, the wireless is on, password and the SSID is on top, done.